Hi everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I'm repurposing a project which I created to display our menu. It's kind of like a menu board planner for our command center. However, we have since changed the way we plan our menus because of our change in our lifestyle. Instead of wasting that project, I'm repurposing as winter decoration. And I'll be linking on the upper right hand corner the process where I created this original project. So this is made using an 11 by 14 frame from the Dollar Tree, and I used a placemat here, which I trimmed to size so that it'll fit inside the frame. I did use this 3 plastic paddle shaped cutting board, which I embellished with the contact paper from the Dollar Tree. I will be replacing the Live, Love, Eat placemat with this blessed placemat, also from the Dollar Tree. I will be trimming it to size. I'm using the other placemat as my guide for the size, but if you haven't done this project yet, you can use the insert that came with the frame. After I have trimmed the placemat to size, I am putting it inside the frame. And this is how it should look like. As you can see at the bottom of this frame, I have 3 hooks there that I also got at the Dollar Tree. And of course, part of that previous DIY, I showed how I connected it using hot glue. You can actually use also super glue or E6000 for a stronger bond. I am not going to be replacing the contact paper that I have used on this paddle board, cutting board, because that is actually the color that I have in our kitchen that I am using for winter. I have some kind of a burgundy and gray and black going on. So I am going to be using this stems or wired stems that I got at the Dollar Tree. They come 12 pieces in a pack, and I'm just going to spell joy using these stems. First, I'm forming the letter J just by bending it this way. I think it's easier for you to just watch me how I do it. So this is how I made a J, and then I'm going to make the letter O, and what I'm doing with the letter O, I'm making it as a wreath. I'm using 2 stems instead of 1, and I'm forming a circle by connecting them on both ends. And I put a red velvet bow on top. As for the letter Y, you can either do it this way. It looks like a little bit of a cursive form for the letter Y, but I opted to cut it in 2 pieces to form the V on top and then the straight line underneath it. So it's up to you whether you do the first type or the second type like I've done here. So what I've done also is to trim some of the ends of the top part so that it will be lined up better because it has a pointed side on the left, and also to make it fit better within the frame. Next, I am going to be hot gluing the 2 together, and I will also proceed to hot glue the Y first onto the paddle board. And I will do the same thing with the letter O and the letter J. And here is the finished project. I love how the combination of colors came out. Love the 3D effect of the word joy, and the message combined with blessed is blessed joy, and that is the message that I want to convey this season. I placed it on top of this dresser where I displayed some of my miniature houses from the Dollar Tree. That gazebo there is from Walmart, and also the teardrop trailers from Walmart, and I DIY'd that red truck, and I'm linking it here if you are interested in how I created that using 2 ornaments from the Dollar Tree. And as for the paddle board, I originally intended to add twines on the handle, but I decided not to. I kind of like this clean look here, and also I was trying to add also some red bows on the J and also the letter Y, but they didn't turn out looking well, so I just ended up using the bow in the middle on the O, which works perfectly because it's a wreath form anyway. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and it'll inspire you to repurpose any decor that you may have to make it work for the season, and so that you don't waste any of your materials. Hope you all are having a great day. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and also don't forget to click that notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. Hope to talk to you again on my next video, everyone. Don't forget to comment down below as well. And blessed joy to all of you. Take care. Bye-bye.